making sure that Indigenous people have a seat at the table. We are being represented. Children are able to see people that look like them. That is my goal, and that I dare say is my passion. Yat a she Sahar kajanor yinishya na kaidina anjlan do Persian bashichin with anni dashiche do Persian dashanella with adina as donanjlan. I am from the Four Corners region, which is where Utah, Colorado, Arizona, and New Mexico meet. This is also the homeland of the Diné or the Navajo people. I love walking into a Sephora because I feel like it's the epicenter of cosmetics. I can find color palettes that represent the things that I want to represent in myself.
I like that.
I love that Sephora has created visibility for people of all nationalities. I lived off and on Navajo Nation until I was about 16 with my grandmother, and she didn't speak English. We lived in a one-bedroom house without electricity or running water, but I always just considered it home. It was a very traditional lifestyle in a sense. Watching my grandmother care so much for her sheep because it meant that she would have wool to weave her rugs, and she would teach me how to moisturize my cuticles with the lanolin. Those are some of my fondest memories. Since I've moved back to the Navajo Nation, I've been working on ways that I can give back to my community. My best friend created the Utah Navajo COVID Relief Program, and together we had assembled a team of young people to help get these food care packages out. In 2020, we had distributed 9,000 care packages. I also took it upon myself to ensure that our story wasn't being overlooked. I think this past year has really created the opportunity to share with the world the things that we need and the things that we don't have. I love that Sephora has created a platform for all people to be represented, because that means that I am valued and that my community is valued. And Sephora recognizes that in every shade we are all beautiful, going beyond a stereotypical one-sided beauty to create the self-love, a self-acceptance, and beyond that, an acceptance of one another. My ancestors worked so hard to create a beautiful relationship between plant, earth, water, clean air, and I want to make sure that I share that message with the world. We only have one earth, one globe, and that we do our best to take care of it at any cost.